But, as I mentioned earlier, is quite a dedicated person, Toastmasters. We have the family here, both the husband and wife here. Every time, in every meeting, he's been taken a role, and he or she, both of them had made sure that the role had been done to the best excellence possible. And today also, he's doing the TMOD role for the first time, but every time he takes and puts on hats and something, he has a spirit of excellence, and we are expecting a spirit of excellence. Let me introduce the captain for the show, Toastmaster Niroz Mohammed. Please welcome the TMOD Toastmaster Niroz Mohammed. Toastmaster Niroz, the control is yours.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Thank you, Mr. President. Theme of the day: do it, just not say it. Again, do it, not just say it. Today, I have taken up this role for the first time, and I'm doing it, not just saying it. I will do it. Saying is easy, though doing is difficult, isn't it? Actions only can give us results and help us achieve our goals in our career and as well as in our personal life. How many of us do what we say? I would like to share with you a quote from Mr. Khalil Gibran. Saying remains meaningless until they are embodied with actions. I agreed with it. Are you? The preceding leaders have succeeded in their lives because they did what they said. To call them namely, Mr. Bill Gates, he has founded Microsoft, not just saying, but doing it. Mr. Ruff C. Medley has founded Toastmasters International, not just saying, but doing it. And finally, Mr. Khalid Jalal has founded the BITP Toastmasters Club, not just saying it, but doing it. They're great leaders, and they did all the time what they said. Can I request you to unmute yourself and tell me one thing with me? On that note, can all we say that I will become the winner of the Toastmasters World Champion of Public Speaking one day?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Will you?
Yes. Inshallah.
Will you do it or just say it?
Yes.
Will you do it or just say it?
I will do it.
We'll do it, inshallah.
I will do it.
It's a great spirit. Thank you. Dear fellow Toastmasters and dear guests, very good evening to you all. And please mute yourself again. It is my privilege and pleasure to welcome you all to the Bahrain International Technology Professionals Toastmasters Club. For the benefit of the guests, I would like to explain the structure of the meeting. The meeting is divided into 3 rounds. The first is the prepared speech round, where members will be delivering speeches based on the projects and paths that they have chosen. The second part of the session is the table topics round, where members can practice think and speaking on their feet. This round is also known as the impromptu speech section. Guests are also welcome to participate in this round. The third and final part is the evaluation round, in which all the prepared speeches as well as other aspects of the session will be evaluated by the general evaluator and his team. In addition to that, we have a special award ceremony today. It is time to start the education session.